Hi, it's Emilio Immobiliser Fit. Today we've secured this 2018 Toyota RAV4 with a Starline Solaris track app-based system. The way it works, if someone was to apply force to this vehicle, jack the vehicle to try to steal the cat or tow it away, the alarm will trigger and the customer will get a phone call. Also within the app, they can disarm the vehicle remotely, see doors open, see the status of the vehicle and so on. Also, with this system, we have an alarm immobiliser, so if someone cloned his key, hopped in, unlocked the vehicle, got in with the cloned keys, tried to start the vehicle up, the ignition will come on but it won't start. As you see, we haven't gone to ready, so we have to pass authorisation by either the phone pairing or the push sequence. So to start this normally, it's a double press to get the ignition on. Pop our code in, we've kept it nice and simple at 1, 2, 3. We get a double flash and then put on the brake and we can start the vehicle. As you can see, it goes to ready. So as I said, this is the Starline Solaris GSM tracking app-based system, which allows you to live view the vehicle on your phone, see statuses such as doors, bonnet, boot, engine running, ignition on, live tracking, call alerts if something was to happen, say it gets lifted for someone to steal the cat, towed away, or an impact, say a car reverses into it, the customer will get a phone call and also get a notification on the app to tell them what's happened as well. If you want to get one of these fitted to your vehicle, we're Immobiliser Fit and our number is 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.